Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the lovely Emma, and she was in today for her fresh set of nails after lockdown. So we done all the prep. We applied my coffin tips, we cut them and we shaped them. We applied our clear base and now we're going in with design. So she wanted a nude, but she wanted like a dusty pink. Well, like a dusty nude, like a dusty pink nude. And I just didn't have it. I had nudes, like proper nudes. I had pinks, but they weren't this dusty colour that she was after. So I thought, let's make our own. So I mixed. It was I had a little bit of warm beige from Naio nails, and I was saying to her, do you think brown? I was saying brown at first, and I was like, no, I don't think it would be brown. So then I was like, have I got like a burnt pink? I know it sounds ridiculous, but I was kind of burnt pink. And then I was like, no, that won't work. But then I did find like just a normal pink, it was like a, I can't really describe it. I think it was called Pastel Pink, actually, from Naio Nails. I'll double check and put it in the description box. But I think it was called Pastel Pink. And then I used Storm from CJP. So they're grey. I think it's called Storm. So they're grey. And I just was going by eye, and then I was doing little blots on the table, on the kitchen towel. You can see them in the corner in the right. And I just kept adding more grey, and then I added a little bit more, a little bit of clear, and then just until I was happy, and we made this beautiful dusty nude colour, which didn't marble, which was lovely. I am going to be honest, it was pretty hard to work with. I'm not sure why, because warm beige isn't hard to work with, and I don't think Storm is. It might not have been Storm, it might have been the darker grey. It was a dark grey though. It's all on my desk still, so I'll put everything in the description box of what it was, the mix that I made to create this. But yeah, it was pretty hard to work with, I'm not gonna lie. I think if I was to do it again, I think I would probably add more clear to it, just to help me, just to help it work better for me. So I'm using my Tracy Lou size 10, and we're literally going to put this colour on all the nails except the pointer. So I'll leave you to watch. So she wanted a bit of glitter, so we're using Kendall from my website. It's just there's two that are similar. One's called Kylie, one's called Kendall. And Kylie's quite pink and Kendall has got like a lilac-y tone to it, which I thought this had. It looked more lilac in the flesh. So we went for that one, Kendall, and I didn't want to do a full cover now. I was trying to look, I didn't want it to be full glitter. I wanted there to be like specks. You can still see the nail, you know, so that's what we went for here. So just a full nail of that, and I will cap. So we filed, shaped and buffed all off camera. And now we're going in with our little snowflake. So she wanted she wanted some sort of snowflake, and this was all I could really do, if I'm being honest. So I'm using my rose gold detailing brush from my website. You get 3 in a pack, and I think this was the second longest. You get a longer one than this, and I like that for long stripes. So I can't really explain what I'm doing, but I have sped this up, so I will leave you to watch. I was actually pretty impressed with how these turn out. I wish I'd done these with a dotting tool just to make them a little bit more like a perfect circle, but I was still pretty chuffed with how they turn out. And I bet this would have also, I glossed these, but I bet this would have looked nice matte as well. And we had a little tiny crystal. These crystals are from my website as well. They come in the one side's got AB and one side's just normal crystals. So yeah, done that, and now we're applying our top coat. This is Premier Gel's top gloss. Just going to apply that to all the nails. It's your cure for 60 seconds. We applied some oil. Oh my god, look at my gloves. I like to put the bit of gel on the back of my hands. Yeah, we applied some oil and we're done. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you loved them. I loved them. They're probably my favourite of the year so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.